Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to use basic 3D modeling, basically for beginners. If you are using AutoCAD, you just have to know these steps. So let's change to 3D modeling, since we'll be using 3D. So let's go there, and I'll be showing you the sweep command and the twisting command. Click on 3D. Then after that, go there on where it says 2D wireframe. Click there, then go on shaded like that. All right, so it's going to take some time to change. Still on 2D wireframe, you will see it will change. Yeah, it has changed over there. That is in shaded now. So let's go where it says the unsaved view. I want to put a view over there. Then select SE isometric. Go there. You see? Now after that, we can start our modeling in 3D. I want you to type UC like that. Then here there is a UCS icon. Click there. Then go on No Origins. Escape. Then I want you to make a line. Go there on line. Just make a line. Yeah, turn on the auto mode there to draw 90 degrees lines. So do that, and I want the line to be 40 like that. Then here it will go at 0.5. Enter. There it is. That's my 0.5. Then go online again. Okay, turn on these. They are not on. Okay. So then 0.5 again, like that. Then escape. So we have done this line. So after that, I want you to follow me carefully now. After I've done that, this we are going to be using. We're going to be doing the twisting command on this one. We're going to make a wire which is twisted. So go there where it says surface, like that. Then go on sweep. Select the lines which you want to sweep first, that one and that one. Then press enter. After that, I want you to go on twist. Then it will tell you at which how many twists you want to make. So I want to make 10 twists. So it's a 360-degree twist. So if we want to make 10 twists, we're just going to say 360 times 10, which is 3600, like that. Then you enter. So we want to make a twist between these two lines and that line. So select that line. You see, since we selected these first, so we have made our twist. So after that, select this line and that line like that. Then go on home. On home there, I want you to select that box like that. You see, it's more defined now. The lines have been made. So I want to select you select that and that again. Then go where it says erase. So we have erased our lines. So we want to erase this line as well. So just select, then enter. Select it again, enter. Enter like that. Select, enter. Then select that one, go on, delete, select, delete, keep on doing that, delete, delete until it's gone. Select that one, delete, select that one, delete, select it again, press on delete until it goes. See, after I've done that, I was seeing there where it's written world. Since I want to draw a circle, you select there those boxes. As you can see, it's going to be showing you how you want to draw your circle. So I want my circle to be in front like that. So select the front, then go where there is a circle there, then go there on that point, then zoom out at 0.5, guys, then enter. Press enter again for the previous command, then go there again at 0.5, then you enter like that, escape, then go where it says surface again, go on the sweep command, then select this one, press enter, select this one again. You see, as simple as that. You're still on the sweep, select, enter, select this one again, press, don't press enter, okay, to just come on itself, then you are done. You see, you have made a twist. So I'll be doing another drawing just to demonstrate the sweep command. So I want to make basically I'll just make a simple pipe. So do that there like that, to go that side, and to go that side, and to come down like that. Okay, escape. So I'll try to make these edges circular. So let's how do I do that? Let's see. Then let's go there where it says fillet, then enter, then the radius of, let's press 1. I think we're going to be using 1, then there. You see, I've made that one. Go on fillet, press enter again, fillet, radius of 1, press enter. So we're doing that one and that one. Enter for the command, then that one and that one. You see? Now, since we are making a front circle here we are going to be making a down one where I want the circle to be. So I'll select bottom now. So zoom in, then go on circle like that. I want my circle to be that's too big, 0.7. Let's put 0.7, and so after that we're going to do, let's select these, select like that, then go where it says modify, then we want to join, click on join. So this is 103. After that, let's go where it says surface, then sweep. So you select this circle, you press enter, you select this one again. You see, you have made your pipe. Isn't it cool, guys? It's so cool. So after that, I want you to can go on home, then just zoom in, select this one, double click, left click, then double click, like that. Then go there where it says by layer. Now we are adding the color. I'll put yellow there. I'll remove. Then I'll escape. Then I have this one again. I'll double click by to the left, then double click. Double click like that. Then there we'll select the color green like that. Then I'll remove. Then I'll escape. See? Even the pipe, I can choose the color. I'll left, double click to the left like that. And then I'll select the color blue and I'll remove it. Then I'll press escape. Then you are done. So these were some of the drawings I had for you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.